Welcome back, my name is Meng and I'm gonna CNC some Patriotic Stars out of wood, so stick around. So I'm prepping three 5x5 boards by 24 inches in length, and I'm applying the double-sided tape to hold down my stock. And I'm spacing them 3/8 of an inch apart. Make sure I'm using the maximum real estate of each board, and also so I don't accidentally paint another color on one of the boards. I'm going to start painting the first board red, and then the second white, then the last one blue. All while applying 2 coats on each color. For my end mill, I'm using a 1/4 inch 90-degree V-bit. And then I'm going to finish it off with an 1/8 inch end mill, cut an outer contour of the stars. The patriotic phrases I wanted to cut out were God bless America, land of the free, and home of the brave. Now that the milling process is done, I'm just going to give it a quick vacuum and quick brush. Then it's just a matter of popping out the boards and then doing another quick cleanup. And here's the final result. If you're interested in this item, come visit our online store at myideas.etsy.com. Feel free to browse our collection. We carry wood decor, crochet items, and digital artworks. We also create custom and personalized items, and we can provide our services to help you create your designs. What you have to do is go to our My Ideas main page and then click on Request Custom Order and send us a message and details of what you had in mind. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime. Again, make sure you check out our store at myideas.etsy.com because we're always adding and updating our collection. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure you give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!